Hey y'all, so today your girl is installing another 5x5 closure wig. Y'all know I love the 5x5 closure wigs. They're my absolute favorite. The first thing that I am doing is I'm taking a little alcohol and I'm putting this on the skin where I am going to be applying my wig today. And I decided I wanted to do a side part with some curls, real cute, real simple. And I did dye this wig jet black. One thing that I absolutely love about HD lace is like the way it just melt into your skin without even using no product yet. Do y'all see that? Like it literally is just matching perfectly without no product, no makeup, no nothing. And I love that. Like so I'm going to be applying this with my Ebon Wonder Lace adhesive spray. This is the black one. So this is the water resistant one. I personally think that this one lasts the longest, especially when you add more than 2 layers. So I am going to be doing about 3 layers of this. So I do the first layer and then I let it dry. Then I add another layer and I let that dry. And then on the third layer, I just go ahead and I apply the lace into the spray. the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. When I say I am just a closure girl at heart, like I love a good frontal, don't get me wrong, but a closure, like you mean to tell me I did this with a little bit of lace? 5 inches of lace is what you're telling me? I'm just amazed, y'all, at how good you can make a closure look. That's all I've been wearing all summer, and honestly that's probably what I'm gonna be wearing all fall and winter too. I just love closures so much. This hairstyle turned out so cute, y'all. I love the big curls, love the side part with my baby hairs. Okay, I just love everything about this wig, y'all. This is also Nadula hair. When I say this hair is so silky, it's so soft, this hair is bomb. This hair does not shed. Like, Nadula is just my favorite, hands down. If y'all are interested in purchasing this wig, which I highly recommend it, click the link in my description box down below.